Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right gear and locking basic settings. Use a 360 degrees camera or your phone with a panoramic head and mount it on a tripod for stable, level footage. Once done, enable GPS and timestamping, lock exposure and white balance so frames match during stitching. Make a simple route plan and choose capture points about 5 to 15 meters apart. Make sure you have permission to shoot on private property before you record. You'll now focus on consistent capture and sequencing to make stitching reliable. If shooting photos, capture overlapping frames with around 20 to 40% overlap. If shooting video, record continuous 360 at a high bitrate. Make sure the tripod is level and you move slowly between points. Avoid rapid pans and changes in lighting. Once done, save high-quality files or RAW when available and log the start and end GPS coordinates so you can align clips easily during processing. You finish by stitching, exporting with embedded GPS metadata, and uploading to Google Maps. Use your camera maker stitcher or a trusted third-party tool to produce an equirectangular JPG or MP4, making sure GPS and timestamp metadata remain intact. Once exported, upload via the Google Street View app or Google Maps contributions, add the location, title, and short description, then publish. If your upload doesn't appear, check metadata, file format, and connectivity. Re-export with proper GPS tags and re-upload if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.